Right, here's another question we got from the interwebs, and I thought it was very interesting to share with you. It's a question I think we've answered before, but it's never too much to emphasize and review things we've talked about in the past. So the question was when to buy an offline machine versus an inline machine. When to go with a more manual system that's going to be offline, or when should we go with an inline machine that's going to be in line with your SMT production line, or even going to be inline on a batch process. I'd like to frame this question or this answer with three things. Let's talk about inspection speed, the setup time, and lastly, let's go over the cost of these two options, right, inline or offline. Inline systems are designed to inspect things fast. Why? Because you don't want the X-ray inspection system or the AXI to become the bottleneck in your production process. So those are machines that are designed for high speed of inspection, right? We have systems that can do BGA inspection, even 3D BGA inspection in a matter of a couple of seconds, right? So super fast. Offline machines, on the other hand, they're going to be slower, right? They're going to require an operator or a robot or cobot to open a door, open a shutter, and insert your sample, your board, close the access point, and then manually or even using some functions to automate, run a set of inspections on that sample. If you need speed, inline machine is definitely the way to go. Now, let's talk about setup time, because that's something people usually don't explain or don't share with you guys, which is the setup time. Inline machines take time to program. We work really hard with our software team to lower the barrier of entry, to make it easier to program an inline machine. But keep in mind that that system is designed to work on its own, right? The AXI systems, inline systems are not designed to have an operator looking at X-ray images, passing or fail, right? Those machines they run super fast. So for them to run reliably and accurately, you need to program every single design space on your test so that the machine knows what you do and when to fail, when to pass parts. So the setup time for an inline system is considerable, while in an offline machine, it's usually a much lower barrier of entry, right? An operator is going to put a board in, inspect certain areas of the board, and then using a BGA inspection tool, for example, or even visual inspection, or using your eyes, you look at an X-ray image and say if a sample is good or bad. So setup time is much lower on an offline system than it is on an inline system. And that brings us to the third point, which is cost. Remember, we went over inspection speed, setup time, and then now we're going to cost. Offline machines are lower cost than inline systems, right? And especially if inline, if you add the overhead cost of the programming time, an inline system is a large investment because you're going to have a very powerful system that's going to be running autonomously, right? And if you put it in line, you're going to have that level of accuracy and level of quality in your line with an X-ray inspection that is far superior you can get with an offline machine. There's a price, there's investment for that. So those are the three, I think, main things that in my head that I think when I'm working with someone trying to figure out if you should go offline or inline, is the three things: is the setup time, the inspection speed, if you really need inline, and then it becomes very straightforward, right? If inline is a requirement, it is because of those three things work out for a specific project. So again, like every other video we make comes from questions from you, right? And we try to answer in this video so that more people can take advantage of the 20 plus years experience we have here. So if you have any more questions, let us know. We'll be more than happy to make a video and address them on this channel. So again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.